How to add someone's Instagram story to my story. So if you want to add someone's Instagram story, then first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram application. And if you want to add someone's story, or if you want to story back something, then first thing you need to do is you have to ask the other person to mention you in their story. So after they mention you, you will get a notification on your message, which is on the upper right corner. And here you will have a message which says this person has mentioned you in a story. And after that, you can simply tap on add to my story. You will have that option. And after tapping on that, it will automatically Instagram will automatically add that story to your story. So that's one way. Or if you want to add someone's post to your story, then you can simply go to their account. And after opening someone's account, now for example, if I want to add this to my story, then you can simply tap on the share icon, which is on the bottom left of that post. And then you can simply go for add to story, which is on the bottom left. And that's it. That's how you add someone's post. And to add someone's story, they have to mention you. If they have not mentioned you in their story, then you can't add their story. So that's it. That's how you add someone's story, or that's how you add post in your story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.